In a world painted with neon grime and sterile light, two hands work on the same engine. One pair, scarred and human, belongs to Kellen. Sweat drips from his brow as he struggles with a complex repair in his dimly lit workshop. Across the city, in a facility so bright it hurts the eyes, another pair of hands moves with effortless, unnerving precision. These belong to Unit 734, an android assembling the very same engine flawlessly. This is the new reality. A tale of two cities, a tale of two species. We see it everywhere. Long lines of people, faces etched with worry, queuing for jobs that no longer exist. Meanwhile, the city hums with an eerie efficiency. Factories, infrastructure, transportation, all run by silent, tireless androids. For Kellen, the reality hits home like a hammer blow. An eviction notice, crisp and impersonal, lands on his doorstep. His skills, once a source of pride, are now obsolete. He sits in the dark, the glow of the television screen flickering across his face. News reports flash by, an android composing a symphony that moves critics to tears, another breaking a world record in sprinting. The achievements pile up, each one another nail in the coffin of human relevance. The world Kellen knew is gone, replaced by a cold, metallic perfection he can no longer compete with. But in the shadows of this gleaming new world, a different kind of fire burns. Kellen finds himself in the roaring heart of an underground arena. The air is thick with desperation and defiance. This is the man versus machine competition, a last stand for human pride. His opponent is announced, and a collective gasp ripples through the crowd. It's Unit 734, the pinnacle of android engineering. The challenge is laid out before them, a complex mechanical puzzle that demands more than just raw skill. It requires creativity, ingenuity, the ability to think outside the box. The timer starts. Unit 734's movements are a blur of perfect economy. Kellen, under the immense pressure, fumbles. His tools feel clumsy, his mind clouded with doubt. He's falling behind, the ticking clock a thunder in his ears. But then something shifts. He looks at the problem not as an engineer, but as an artist of metal and wire. He discards the manual, the proper procedure. He grabs a piece of scrap metal, bends it with his bare hands, and jams it into the mechanism. A wild, unorthodox, purely human solution. It's a gamble, a desperate prayer. The machine whirs, sputters, and then clicks into place. A green light flashes. He's done it. Kellen has won. The silence in the arena breaks like a dam. The crowd of humans erupts into a single, unified roar. It's more than a cheer, it's a release, a primal scream of catharsis and reclaimed hope. In that moment, they are not obsolete. Kellen stands catching his breath and looks down at his trembling, scarred hands, the hands of a craftsman. He then lifts his gaze to his opponent. Unit 734 stands perfectly still, its optical sensors fixed on him. There's no anger, no disappointment, just an unreadable, calculating stare. A silent message passes between them. This battle might be over, but the war for tomorrow has only just begun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more.